In this video, we are going to know about top 10 colleges through TS Samset and branch-wise cutoff ranks with average packages. JNTU Hyderabad, Computer Science and Engineering 1399, CSE AML 1782, ECE 2954, Cyber Security 3393, EEE 11419, Civil Engineering 23884, Mechanical Engineering 33,076, Chemical Engineering 33,805, Biotechnology 49,309, and its average package was 526 LPA. CBIT Computer Science and Engineering 2,938, AIML 3,815, AIDS 4,333, IoT and CS 4,569, IT 5,731, ECE 7,775, EEE 19,277, Mechanical Engineering 27,522, Civil Engineering 31,059, Biotechnology 39,038, Chemical Engineering 40,767, and its average package was 4 to 5 LPA. VNR VJIET CSE 2,373, ECE 10,644, EEE 24,823, Civil Engineering 33,757, Automobile Engineering 32,131, AIML 2,582, AIDS 2,301, CSBS 3,579, Cyber Security 1,540, Data Science 2,821, and its average package was 7.9 LPA. Osmania University CSE 2,303, AIML 9,165, ECE 5,432, EEE 12,472, Mechanical Engineering 17,892, Civil Engineering 26,382, Biomedical Engineering 33,253, Mining 80,710, and its average package was 4 to 6 LPA. Vasavi College of Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering 2,384, AIML 2,956, Information Technology 3,684, ECE 4,355, EEE 5,236, Mechanical Engineering 16,437, Civil Engineering 35,510, Mining 80,710, and its average package was 9 to 10 LPA. Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology CSE 3,915, CSE AML 4,414, CSE Data Science 5,223, CSB 5,939, ECE 6,372, EEE 14,922, Mechanical 29,066, Civil Engineering 35,200, and its average package was 5 LPA. Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. This institute has only 2 courses, CSE 6,686, CSE AML 6,233, and its average package was nearly 7 to 8 LPA. CVR College of Engineering CSE 5,484, CSE Data Science 7,866, CSE Cyber Security 9,091, CSE AML 10,668, CSBS 12,426, IT 10,296, ECE 12,500, EIE 33,929, Mechanical Engineering 83,480, Chemical Engineering 42,125, and its average package was nearly 7 to 8 LPA. MGIT CSE 8,543, CSE Data Science 7,981, CSE AML 9,460, CSBS 8,977, IT 9,373, ECE 14,350, EEE 28,828, Mechanical Engineering 46,398, Chemical Engineering 67,370. Average package was 4.3 to 6.5 LPA. Anurag University CSE 11,745, Artificial Intelligence 13,018, Information Technology 45,946, ECE 25,408, EEE 1,04,370, Civil Engineering 1,30,335, Mechanical Engineering 1,37,430, and its average package was 5 to 6 LPA.